to go stand so Rubik's Cube. What you're gonna do, get your Rubik's Cube, scramble it. It's gonna move stuff down. That's how I use scramble my cube. I think I might be scrambled. So first thing we're gonna do is get the white cross. So you guys are done. Oh, it's done right. So the first thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the yellow side on top. See if you have an edge piece, white edge piece on the yellow piece, that's good. But what you're gonna do is you're going to move this over to where these two are matching up, and just turn this twice, and now it's on the white side, so you almost have to cross down you're gonna find like an edge piece like right here. And you're just gonna turn the top. And since it's right here, if you move this up here, it's just gonna move this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it like this. Boom. And turn this all back. Now you have that, and then you have this. You're gonna match this up with the red side right there, and then turn it twice. 1, 2. Now it's here. So then I need to teach you this move. It's an algorithm. It goes like R, U, R prime, U prime. And that's it. And if you do that right, R, U, R prime, U prime. And since I just did that, so let me just fix this. Okay. So now you're gonna need to put the corners. Remember those moves I just taught you? Now you're gonna put the corners in here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find one of these white corners. And if it has green, like if it has these colors, for example, mine's green, orange, you're just gonna move it to the green and orange middles. Then you're gonna do those 4 moves. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now it's done here. Just keep doing that until it gets right here. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 Now it's right there. Now, since there's a corner right here, it has red and blue, so now you're gonna move it to the red and blue. And then you're gonna do the same as R, U, R prime, U prime. Mine did that in one move, and one of those algorithms. So if there's one down here, just do this. R, U to get it, and then R prime. And now it's up here, so then it's out of your way. And then, for example, this is actually in the race part right here. It's blue, orange, blue, and orange. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now it's right there. So the last corner. So the last corner in, that's where it goes. Red, green, red, green. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 So now you have this. So now you're going to do the second layer. So what you're going to do for the second layer is find, like for example, this one is a red and blue edge piece. So you're going to match this up with the red. And if the blue is on this side, you're going to turn this way. But if the blue is on this side, then you're going to turn this way. So for example, I'm going to turn it this way. And you're going to do that left-handed move. You're going to do R, U prime, R prime, but you're going to do it left way. So L, actually don't, L, U prime, L prime, U. Then I'm gonna turn the cube this way and put it in using the right way, the R way. Right, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now that edge piece is in. So then you're gonna find maybe a green and then orange. That'll work. I'm gonna turn it to match up with the green. And since orange is on the right side, I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna do it the right way. The R, U, R prime, U prime. I'm gonna put it in using the left all the way. L, U prime, L prime, U. Now that edge piece is in. So then if you have no more edge pieces, it's gonna go in. So, and one of them are right here, like in one of the wrong place, flipped. It's flipped. What you're gonna do is just get a random piece, for example, blue and yellow that's not supposed to go there. And you're just gonna put that in that side. And now that place will be free. That was not supposed to be in there. Now I'm just gonna put this, match up with blue, and put it over here. So now that you, oh, no, you don't. For example, this one's stuck in here too. I'm just gonna do this. Free that. I'm gonna find that. Oh, green and red, and put it over here where it needs to be. Now you have your second layer done. Now you're gonna need to do the cross, the yellow cross. So what you're gonna do for the yellow cross, you need, it's basically a white cross, but just on the yellow side, without messing up any of the rest of the cube. So what you're gonna do is flip. To do the cross, if you have one dot and just like this thing, just do this algorithm from anywhere. But if you have like an L shape right here, put that in the top of corner like this. And if you have just a straight line, put it horizontal, like this. Excuse me. Okay, so and then since I just have whatever this is, I'm just gonna do this algorithm from anywhere. So what you're gonna do, is you're gonna move this up like this, and then you're gonna do those 4 moves. R, U, R prime, U prime. Then you're gonna flip this back down. So now you have that L, I have that L. I'm gonna put it in the top of corner like this. Then do the same thing. Boom, now I have that horizontal. Make sure that's horizontal and not like this. If it's like this, it's gonna mess the whole thing up. It has to be like this. Do that same move. And boom, now you have your little cross. It doesn't matter if there's any corners on it. But now, ignore those corners, and now you have a yellow cross. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna wanna line the edge pieces with its color. So I'm just gonna turn it to where you have this and this. You're gonna have this on the right side and this one in the front, in the back. But if you have them across from each other, just do this algorithm from anywhere. This is the algorithm. It goes R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And boom. Should. Okay, mine's not ready yet. Mine's not finished yet. So, hold on. Okay, that's what I do. So it goes R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now, the edges are aligned. See, edge, 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 edge. Now what you're gonna do, see, everything is still soft. Put in the corners. These corners are already put in, but that doesn't mean they're the right way. This one's the right way because it's matching up with these. This one's not the right way. This one's not the right way. This one's not the right way. If you have one the right way, put it right here on. Keep it right. Hold the cubers on the right side on this corner. But if none of them are wrong, if none of them are in the right spot, do this algorithm from anywhere. Algorithm is boom. So it goes up, R, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, up, U prime. Okay, so now my corners are in all this right place. See, if this was flipped this way, the orange would be here and the green would be here. This is already in the right spot. If this was flipped this way to the spot, the blue would be here and the red would be here, and this one's right. So they're all right. So now you're gonna flip the cube upside down. You're gonna hold this, and now you're gonna do those 4 moves. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 Until that goes in there. And don't turn the whole cube to get to the next one. You're gonna just turn the bottom one until you get to the next one. You're gonna do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And now, the cube is solved. That's how you solve the cube. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.